Meanwhile, the tariff adjustment has little impact on daily commodities. Potato and onion is being sold at the same price as before. The price of broiler chickens has not decreased either. In Khilgaon and Taltola kitchen markets, broiler chicken is being sold at Taka 170 to 180 per kg, while Sonali chicken price is Taka 260 to Taka 280 per kg. In the meantime, the price of eggs in the market is also high. A dozen of eggs are being sold at Taka 160. Apart from this, eggplant is Taka 80 to Taka 140 per kg. Papaya is Taka 40 per kg. However, to control the prices, the onion and potato duties have been adjusted, but the prices of these products have not decreased. Potatoes are being sold at Taka 60 per kg and local onion at Taka 120 per kg. However, Hilshai is being sold at high prices in the retail market. 1 kg of Hilshai is being sold at Taka 1650 per kg.